Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss synthetic fibers and plastics. The clothes which we wear are made up of fabrics. Fabrics are made from fibers obtained from natural or artificial sources. यानी कि जो कपड़े हम पहनते हैं वो फैब्रिक्स के बने होते हैं और ये सारे फैब्रिक्स जो होते हैं वो ऑब्टेन किए जाते हैं नेचुरल या आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज से। आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज को ही हम लोग सिंथेटिक सोर्सेज भी कहते हैं। फैब्रिक्स बने होते हैं यार्न से। यार्न इज़ अ क्वाइल ऑफ थ्रेड। यार्न्स बने होते हैं थ्रेड से और थ्रेड बने होते हैं फाइबर्स से। फाइबर्स बने होते हैं पॉलीमर्स से और पॉलीमर्स बने होते हैं मोनोमर्स से। फाइबर्स थ्रेड लाइक फाइन फिलामेंट्स होते हैं जो कि थ्रेड से भी पतले होते हैं। Natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk, etc. are obtained from plants or animals. The synthetic fiber are made by human beings, that is why these are called synthetic or man-made fibers. In this picture, we can see that the types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. सिंथेटिक फाइबर के टाइप्स को पढ़ने के पहले हम लोग सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स के बारे में कुछ जान लेते हैं। A synthetic fiber, a chain of a small units joined together. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance called monomers. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called polymer. जैसे कि मोती की माला में एक एक मोती जो है वो मोनोमर्स हैं और ये मोनोमर्स मिलकर एक चेन बनाते हैं, पूरी मोती की माला को बनाते हैं, तो उसको पॉलीमर कहते हैं। और मोनोमर्स जब पॉलीमर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उस प्रोसेस को पॉलीमराइजेशन कहा जाता है। टाइप्स ऑफ सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स में पहला है रेयॉन। रेयॉन जो है एक सेमी सिंथेटिक फाइबर है, इसको हम लोग आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क भी कहते हैं। फैब्रिक्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम सिल्क फाइबर वाज वेरी कॉस्टली। टुवर्ड्स द एंड्स ऑफ द 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties like similar to the silk. Such a fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. This fiber was called rayon or artificial silk. Rayon is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, yet it is man-made fiber. Rayon is a substitute of silk. It is cheaper than silk and mixed with cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool to make carpets. Second synthetic fiber is nylon. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light, easy to wash, so it became very popular for making clothes. Example: socks, ropes, tent, toothbrush, car, seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. Used for making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. A nylon thread is actually stronger than steel wire. Nylon is a thermoplastic polymer which can be melted by heating. The third synthetic fiber is polyester. It's fully a synthetic fiber and it's also called a magical fiber also. Polyester is made up of the repeating units monomers containing functional group ester. Polyester is used to make bed sheets, rope, jacket, car tire, etc. Terylene is a popular polyester. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like any other yarns. Terylene is a popular polyester fiber. Polyester used fiber are, however, stronger than nylon fibers. Polyester fabrics is strong, wrinkle resistant and easy to wash and dry. PET is a very familiar form of polyester. It is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires and many other useful products. The fourth synthetic fiber is acrylic. It is made from a polymer called polyacrylonitrile. It is a wool-like fiber. It is soft and warm like wool. We wear sweaters and use shawls or blanket in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from natural wool. They appear to resemble wool. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. The wool obtained from the natural sources is quite expensive, whereas cloths made from acrylic are relatively cheap. They are available in a variety of colors. Synthetic fibers are more durable and affordable, which make them more popular than natural fibers. Our next topic is biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. A material which get decomposed through natural process such as action of bacteria is called biodegradable. Biodegradable materials are environment friendly. And plastics, glass, tin, aluminum cans and metal objects are non-biodegradable. Plastic is also a synthetic material. It is also a polymer like synthetic fiber. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, rolled into sheets or made into wires. That is why it finds such a variety of uses. Plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are known as thermoplastics. And the plastics which when molded once cannot be softened by heating, these are called thermosetting plastics. The use of plastics has a bad effect on the environment. Plastic materials affect the environment. We need to use synthetic fibers and plastics in such a manner that we can enjoy their good qualities and at the same time minimize the environmental hazards for the living communities. As a responsible citizen, remember the 4R principle: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay hungry for knowledge. For more updates, please subscribe and press the bell icon.